Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Ameya and we are discussing about Aviva PDMS cable trays. In previous video we discussed about bends and tees which are used as components in cable trays. In this video we will be discussing about some more components. Now the problem or the difference between cable tray and piping is there are different components which are involved in cable tray, and the reason behind that is for piping you can easily change the orientation of your elbow in all the four directions. Okay, but for cable tray as it is flat you cannot change the direction using the elbow or a bend. Okay, so we will just create a bend again. We have one cable tray branch which is already created. I will just change the settings to auto connect, and we will go and create components. Okay, and in components I will use a bend, create 90-degree bend, and this is what my bend is. And if I flip it like in previous video, change exit, it will be only flipped in two directions. It can go either right or left. It will not go up and down like a pipe. So for that what you can do is, let's try a fixed tray. Okay, and let us try to go up and down. This up and down can be done using a razor. Okay, a razor will give you the option of going up and down. Now let us see the options of razor. If I click on razor, click on the location where I want to put and say create, you will have the internal razor 90-degree and external razor 90-degree. Okay, so what is this internal and external razor? Let us go with the internal razor and I will say okay. If you see, my cable tray is going up. Okay, so here we need to understand what is the opening side of cable tray. I am starting branch from here, so my opening is on the top, so my cables will come on my cable tray and we will try to move those cables about the cable tray length. So the internal diameter is basically taking cable trays with the bend. Okay, so it is adding a razor with internal diameter. So depending upon the direction, depending upon the opening of your cable tray, this internal diameter will come up or down. In this case it is coming up. Okay, similarly let us try to go with the, I will just delete this. We will just try again a razor and we will go with the external diameter. So what it will do is your cable tray cables which is the opening side of cable tray will go on the outer diameter, that is external. So you cannot go up with the external in this case. So this external will be, cables will be external to the diameter, so that will give you the cable tray which is going downwards. Okay, so these are the options. These are the two options which are available with the razor. This razor is not there in piping. You can easily bend, change your angle of a bend or elbow in any direction you want, but not with the cable tray. So these are the two options which we are looking for cable tray. If you want to change the levels going up and down, you will be using riser in your cable tray options. Okay, so this is what we need to discuss in this video. Okay, if let us see one more. So after razor, let's say I want to add a cross. So I'm just deleting this razor, and after this fixed tray I want to add a cross, and I will create a cross. So what this cross means, this cross is basically the four-way cable tray. So there will be three different branches which can be connected. So by default, it is getting connected to this. You can always go with pose orient component and swap branch. Okay, I will select this orient component change exit, and change exit will basically change the exit points of the cable tray like T. So cross is basically something similar to T but with one more component or opening. So basically there are four openings for a cross. So we have seen two components in this video, that is very important, that is razor and a cross. Okay, so this is what I want to discuss in this video. We will be meeting in next video for more components of cable tray we are missing with maybe a reducer. We will be talking about reducer in the next video. So let us meet in next video. If you like this content, do subscribe my channel, follow my channel, and share a word about channel with your friends, those who are trying to learn PDMS using online videos. Okay, thank you for joining.